Welcome back, everyone. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that is again shaking up the AI landscape. The multinational tech giant Google has recently unveiled Palm-2, a game-changing advancement in large language models. This innovative model is set to redefine multiple industries and unleash a wave of creative possibilities. Let's dive deeper into the defining features that make Palm-2 a truly remarkable breakthrough. Palm-2 sets itself apart by being built in 5 distinct stages, each contributing to its overall power and versatility. But here's the kicker. Google has gone a step further by introducing a lightweight version called Gecko.
Gecko is so lightweight that it can work on mobile devices, fast enough for great interactive applications on device, even when offline.
This means we can now have large language models embedded into offline applications, opening a world of endless possibilities. This portability and accessibility are genuinely mind-blowing. But let's pause for a moment to ponder some intriguing questions. How will integrating large language models into offline applications impact industries such as education, travel, and content creation? Can you envision a scenario where language translation and comprehension tools are readily available even without an internet connection? How might the accessibility and portability of Gecko revolutionize the way we interact with technology on a daily basis? Integrating Palm-2's capabilities into offline applications will undoubtedly transform various industries. Imagine using advanced language models for voice assistants, chatbots, customer support systems, virtual reality experiences, and much more while offline. The potential for enhanced user experiences, productivity, and problem solving is truly extraordinary. Google's decision to develop Gecko showcases their commitment to pushing the boundaries of what language models can achieve. By bringing these powerful models closer to users and embedding them into offline applications, Google democratizes access to advanced AI capabilities. This move will spur innovation, encourage developers to create new and exciting applications, and pave the way for a future where large language models are seamlessly integrated into our everyday lives. One of the most impressive upgrades in Palm-2 is its ability to code. While many of us rely on chatbots like ChatGPT for coding assistance, Palm-2 takes it a notch higher. It supports coding in multiple languages, offering a more sophisticated and robust coding experience. The potential of Palm-2's coding capabilities is immense, but various aspects must be considered. How can developers leverage this tool effectively to enhance their skills and productivity? How might organizations incorporate Palm-2 into their development processes to maximize its benefits? What ethical considerations should be considered as AI becomes more deeply integrated into the coding ecosystem? Palm-2 coding proficiency can contribute to code quality and efficiency. It can identify potential issues, offer optimizations, and suggest best practices based on its vast coding patterns and conventions knowledge. This not only saves time, but also improves the overall quality of the code base. By empowering developers with a more sophisticated coding experience, Palm-2 brings us one step closer to a future where AI and human expertise coexist seamlessly. It represents a major leap forward for Google and the AI community, showcasing the potential of language models to transform the way we develop software and tackle programming challenges. Another area where Palm-2 shines is in medical research and diagnosis. Given the alarming number of errors that can occur, Google recognized the critical need for accurate medical reports and diagnoses. Imagine the impact this can have on patient outcomes. Palm-2's enhanced accuracy can help doctors make informed decisions, leading to improved treatment plans and better patient care. It is an invaluable resource for medical professionals, offering reliable insights and augmenting their expertise. What challenges might arise as Palm-2 becomes more integrated into healthcare systems? How can we ensure that medical professionals maintain their expertise while leveraging the benefits of AI-assisted diagnosis? They've achieved incredible results by fine-tuning a version of Palm-2 specifically for medical applications. With Palm-2, we now witness a 9-fold reduction in inaccurate reasoning, vastly improving the accuracy of medical diagnoses. By carefully considering the challenges and ethical considerations, We can harness the power of AI to complement and enhance the expertise of medical professionals, leading to a future where healthcare is more accurate, efficient, and compassionate. Google's groundbreaking research in health AI, showcased in April 2023, has largely gone under the radar, but the impact is immense. MedPalm, based on Palm-2, surpasses previous benchmarks, achieving expert performance levels. Real clinician reviews of MedPalm's answers demonstrate its accuracy and effectiveness in assisting medical professionals. It's important to note that MedPalm is not here to replace doctors, but to enhance their decision-making process and provide valuable insights. Combining human expertise and AI assistance can lead to more accurate diagnoses and improved patient outcomes. Palm-2's proficiency in converting and translating languages is truly impressive. In the research paper, Google highlights its ability to fix bugs with comments in different languages, such as Korean. This feature ensures that the software is effective in various countries and can bridge language barriers. While we're unsure if GPT-4 possesses this capability, Google's focus on excelling where previous models fell short is evident in Palm-2's versatility. Let's delve into some intriguing questions that arise from Palm-2's language conversion and translation abilities. How might this feature impact global collaboration in software development? Can Palm-2 facilitate seamless communication and understanding between developers from different linguistic backgrounds, enhancing productivity and fostering innovation? The versatility and focus on improvement exhibited by Palm-2 signify a promising future where language is no longer a barrier to effective communication and meaningful connections. The competitiveness of Palm-2 with GPT-4 is indeed intriguing and opens up a fascinating discussion about the future trajectory of these large language models. As benchmarks indicate, Palm-2 demonstrates a neck-and-neck performance with GPT-4, suggesting that it has made significant strides in narrowing the gap between the two models. This raises an important question. Can Palm-2 eventually catch up to GPT-4 regarding performance and capabilities? Will it continue to evolve and bridge the differences, or will it remain analogous to the gap between GPT 3.5 and other chatbots like CLAUDE Instant? The answer to this question lies in the ongoing research and development efforts by Google and the AI community. It's important to note that the field of AI is ever evolving, and new advancements can emerge rapidly. The progress made by Palm-2 showcases the potential for continuous improvement and innovation. Language models become more powerful, sophisticated, and refined with each iteration. Therefore, it's plausible to envision a future where Palm-2 or subsequent iterations can catch up and even surpass GPT-4. In conclusion, Google's Palm-2 is poised to transform numerous industries and push the boundaries of AI innovation. From its multi-stage architecture to offline capabilities, coding prowess, and groundbreaking advancements in medical applications, Palm-2 is a force to be reckoned with. While it won't replace human expertise, it complements it, providing invaluable assistance and insights. The future is undoubtedly brighter, with Palm-2 at the forefront of AI development. Are you excited about the potential of Palm-2? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with the latest AI breakthroughs. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the exciting world of technology.